driven by an unknown black female. Last seen heading northbound from First Avenue, Maywood at 9:53 a.m. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes the Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. At the request of the Maywood Police Department, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The Maywood Police have confirmed a child abduction that occurred at 1701 South First Avenue, Maywood. Kiara Montgomery is a black female, 3 years old, 3 feet tall and weighs 30 pounds with short black hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink blouse and maroon pants during a DCFS visitation with the suspect Shayna K. Davis, black female 31, 5 feet 4 inches and weighs 152 pounds. Shayna was last seen wearing a black and white dress. Kiara is listed as a protected party from the suspect in an active order of protection. DCFS reported that Kiara was forced by the suspect into a silver 2021 Honda Insight driven by an unknown black female. Last seen heading northbound from First Avenue, Maywood at 9:53 a.m. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes the Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.